Come on. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on. There you go. Lock him in a minute. Come on in. There we go. There we go. Come on. 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 Come on now. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on. There we go. Come on in. Come on in. I think they'll take off today. I really do. I think they'll take off today. Come on in. Come on. I'm just going to leave them alone, just let them do their own wee thing. We'll kick about once they get their bearings. They'll be jumping about. Come on. Come on. I know they're hungry, that's what's wrong. I've got to keep them tight just so that they get to clean their garden and their loft, their roof, honestly. So they might take off today because they're definitely ready for it. Definitely ready for it. Come on. Da-dee-da-da. Come on in. It's starting to rain and all, so that's a good thing. Come on, son. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. There we go. See, I think if they get a wee fright, they will take off. And then we'll ken all about it. Come on in. Humans up there, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. See them all standing like, look at them all standing like statues. Oh, there's everybody, see? Come on, come on. Oh, oi! The bastard, see that? It was a hawk. It was a hawk. Look at there, it's here. Jesus, shit. Oh no, that's what's done it, the hawk. It just came down the now there and grabbed one of my birds. Oh shit. Look at them all, man. Come on. They're all over the place. Look at them, they're all over the place. Oh, what a fright to get. Oh, I swear to God. Oh, here we go. Right, I'm going to have to try and go and get them done. Oh, here we go, man. Look, there's not even... Look, honestly, one hit me in the face. Oh, here we go, eh. Right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Cheery, cheery.